Exciting news for Samsung fans. The upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra might just blow our minds with its radically new design. Rumors suggest Samsung is planning a major overhaul, and renowned leaker Hubert H. Lee, who has ties with Mercedes-Benz, is reportedly lending his expertise to give the S25 Ultra a whole new look. So, if you weren't sold on the S24 Ultra's design, holding out for the S25 might be worth it. On the tech side, get ready for some serious power. The S25 Ultra is rumored to be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, codenamed Tonzi. This beast of a chip could ditch low power cores for 2 super-fast Phoenix CPU cores and 6 medium-performance ones, potentially reaching speeds up to 4 GHz. That's blazing fast, folks. Not only that, but the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is expected to pack the Adreno 830 GPU and be built using TSMC's cutting-edge 3nm process. Translation: expect some serious performance boosts. Plus, with rumors of 16 GB of RAM and flexible storage options, fans are eagerly awaiting the S25 Ultra's arrival. Are you as excited as we are about the potential of the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Share your thoughts, and keep your eyes peeled for more updates on this groundbreaking device. It's going to be epic.